Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question which states that determine the equivalent capacitance between AB in the given circuit. Now, capacitance is given in farad, F, that's its unit, but here is microfarad. So the general unit is farad, but you can add some prefix like milli, micro. So here is microfarad. So when the current flows through here, at this point, it splits. A portion enters here and comes out. A portion enters here and comes out. So when the same amount of current will enter this capacitor, this and this. So that means these three are in series. So we have to find the equivalent capacitance of these three capacitors. Since these three are in series, the equivalent capacitance is given by this is 1 over equivalent capacitance equals 1 over. The method of doing this is different from that of doing resistors and inductors. So this is different. When it's in series, you do it like this. It's the reverse of the normal way. I'll handle resistors and inductors. So here, when they're in series, you do it like this. So it will be 1 over 24 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 8. So now, I can take the calculator. 1 over 24 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 8. So it's 1 over 4 here. So that means this equals 1 over 4. Now 1 over this is equal to 1 over 4. So now if you take the reciprocal of both sides, you get this will equal 4. So that means the equivalent capacitance of these three is 4 microfarad. So that means this whole, when you withdraw this circuit, this will be in parallel to this. When you withdraw this circuit, these three will be represented by only one capacitor. So when the current comes here and splits, part of it will enter here and part of it will enter that capacitor, which is 4 microfarad. So this 4 microfarad and this 4 is in parallel to each other. So to find the equivalent capacitance, you add them. When they are parallel, you add them in capacitors. But in handling capacitors, when the capacitors are in parallel, you add them. So it will be 4 plus 4, since they are parallel to each other, it's 8 microfarad. So now, this whole 4 capacitors, the equivalent capacitance is 8. So now this 5, when you withdraw the circuit, this 5 microfarad will be in series to this 8 microfarad and this 6 microfarad. So to find the equivalent capacitance of that 3, you use the method. It will be 1 over what? 1 over 5, 1 over 6, and 1 over 8. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 8. So we'll put this in the calculator. 1 over 5, 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 8. So it's 59 over 120. So it's 59 over 120. So 1 over this over 59 over 120. So if we take the reciprocal of both sides, we have the equivalent capacitance is 120 over 59, and we'll reduce it. 120 divided by 50 is 2.0. So it's 2 approximately. And the equivalent capacitance is 2.0 microfarad approximately. So that's the answer. That's the final answer. 2.0 microfarad. So that means the equivalent capacitance between AB here in this circuit is 2.0 microfarad. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.